How you doing, guys? Philemon here, and yes, I did change the background of my video, guys. I'm trying to change up a lot of things into the videos and how I structure them, even how the intro. I'm just trying to change it up a little bit, as you can see from today's intro and yesterday's intro. They are different. Trying to change a little things to make my channel a little bit bigger, a little bit actually nice and professional looking, right? So, right. In today's video, I'm talking about the 3 online things you can do to make passive income online, right? So first of all, what is passive income? Passive income is when you have residual income. It's when you have money coming in into your account every month with you just doing the work once, right? For example, this is not passive income, by the way. I'm just saying, for example, you are mowing lawns. You just mowed someone's lawn once, and every month you're just getting money, right? Just getting money. I know that's not passive income. I'm just showing you an example, right? So what are the 3 things that you can do, right? The first thing is drop shipping, right? What is drop shipping? Drop shipping is basically buying products at sites that are cheaper, like for example AliExpress, right, or Alibaba. At sites that are cheaper, you buy them for $3, and then you build your own site and sell them for like $27 or $50. It depends how quality the product it is, right? But then you buy them from a cheaper site, and then you resell them for a higher price, right? So what work do you need to put into Builderall, right? So the work you need to put into Builderall is basically just setting up your store, right? Just set up your store, make it look professional and something and things like that, right? Run some ads to your store. We also run some Facebook ads or something like that, or even influencer marketing, right? So Instagram influencers, you go there, you tell them to shout your store out and everything like that, and from there people will come buying from you the store, right? So that's just you just did the work, right? Just setting up your store and running ads, but then every month people are buying even though you do not do anything, right? Because you already have visitors going to your store. So pretty much the next thing you're going to do is way easier to do. I mean, visitors are already know your store, so every month they go in there and they go buy something from your store. So that's it, right? So no, dropshipping is not for 18 upwards. It's for everyone. It can be for everyone. These 3 things I'm talking about, you can do it at any age, anywhere in the world. I don't care where you are. You can do these things from anywhere in the world and at any age, right? There's no huge startup cost for dropshipping. Just need money to pay for Shopify if you want to do dropshipping specifically for Shopify or Amazon. There's no huge startup like you need $1,000 online. I mean, you need $1,000 or something. No, small startup income. That's all you need, right? So that's all you need. The second thing is blogging. Blogging. What is blogging, right? So just almost like YouTube, but then you're writing content, telling people about. For example, you're writing a blog about just like a newspaper article, but it's a blog. You're writing about, for example, news about. Let me say, what's trending right now on YouTube? PewDiePie and T-Series. So that's one thing that's trending. So you put out. Or let's say Fortnite, you write a blog about Fortnite and how it's damaging kids or how it's helping kids, right? That's one way to write a blog. You just write an article, right? How do you make money with? What do you do to put in work into? Right. So what do you need to do in order to set up your blog for it to start generating your money online, right? So here's what you do, right? You buy a domain name, right? And then when you buy a domain name, you write your articles and everything, right? And then you start promoting products, right? You start promoting your product. If you don't have products, no worries, you can promote other people's products, and then you put it on Google, start running ads to it, and just to get more traffic to your blog, right? Because the most important thing about in any business is traffic. Traffic is the most important thing, right? So you run traffic to your blog, right? Getting enough traffic, people start knowing your blog. And every time you put out an article, you just put it out once. You don't have to do work for people to buy it. People already saw your article. And then from there, you just start making money, right? Even though you're sleeping, you just started making money. Residual income, you just did it once. You just set up your site. You just wrote your content and everything. You just did it once, right? And I know people who make money like 6 figures, 7 figures just from vlogging. Yes, just from writing articles, and they make money online, right? So that's one way to start, right? The third and final thing, right? And this is what I do. Right? What is it? It's called affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing, right? What affiliate marketing is basically selling other people's products through your link, right? So you're creating a product, right? You're promoting your own someone's product through your link, right? Through your link, your own custom link, and then when they buy from you, you get a commission from it, right? You get a commission from those people, right? How do you make money with affiliate marketing? This is the number one way to make money online with affiliate marketing, because people think you just like send your link to people, right? To people, and then people must buy through your link, right? And that's the number one mistake people make. That's the number one thing they know. They think that that's the number one way to make money with affiliate marketing, but that's the number one mistake they think. They do, right? So basically, what do you do with affiliate marketing, right? You build a list, you collect people's emails, right? Who knows? Facebook can get away very soon, or all these devices, or all these apps, right? But your email is your people will never get away from you. They will never get away from you, right? So that it's nice to create a list, right? To create a list, you're collecting lists, So when you're promoting, so when you're giving them the product, if they don't buy, you still have your list, and you can sell them through that product. Through your list, right? You can sell them through your list. How do you can sell them through your list? Because they say that it takes up to 7 tries for a person to buy from you, right? It takes up to seven times for a person to actually make the purchase, right? It takes up to 7 attempts. Right, so how do you build a list, right? You set up your sales funnel, right? You give something for free, we call it a lead magnet. You set up either a free ebook or whatsoever, and you say, Philemon, I don't know how to write an ebook, right? First link in the description will give you to my free ebook, right? To my free ebook will teach you everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing and how to set up an ebook and everything like that, right? So, right. So you give them a free ebook, right? They put in their email. You have them on the autoresponder email, where it just sends email automatically to them. You see, that's already not doing anyway. So if they don't buy in your funnel, you can still sell them in the email, right? So you just drive traffic to your affiliate marketing link, to your sales funnel, right? Either through solo ads or Facebook ads or YouTube ads, whatsoever, right? When you drive traffic to there, people who come they go through your funnel, right? You just the word that you put in, you just do you just put up the funnel, the autoresponder email. That's the only work, right? And when you set up the leads, people will come when you're promoting your thing and you're putting out videos on YouTube every day, right? Or something like that. Or even not even putting out videos, right? So people will go on your list, everything, right? So that's automated. So people will go through your list, and then they will buy from you in the list, right? From the email list, they will buy from you, and that's basically how to make money with affiliate marketing, right? And that's passive income. You can do this while you're at home, then you go to a vacation. When you come back, you got a huge check waiting for you, right? And that's passive income. You just do work on the front end, but then on the back end, it's like basically easy to do. That's why they say do 20% of the work and get 80% of the results. Don't do it other way around of doing 80% of the work and earning 40%. 20% of the results, right? So those are the 3 ways to make money to make passive income online, right? So if you want my free affiliate marketing ebook, it's the first link in the description that will give you to my affiliate marketing ebook, right? So thanks for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. Subscribe to the channel if you found this video valuable and good to you, guys. Like the video if you found it good and everything like that. Thanks for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo, and peace.